The Camel is an emergency lifting cushion designed to lift a person from the floor with the help of one caregiver. It's easy to unpack and set up either inside or outdoors. Ensure the backrest is folded outward. The 4 coloured and numbered airlines are matched and simply connected to each section of the camel. The handset is operated by pressing and holding the numbered buttons in sequence, starting with number 1. The backrest will now start to inflate. The backrest should be inflated until the person is comfortable. To stop inflation, release the button at any time. Press and hold number 2. This inflates the second section. The air will automatically stop once the section is inflated. Press and hold number 3 to inflate the third section. These inflated sections will usually be sufficient to transfer off, but a taller person may need 4. Once the required number of levels have been raised, ensure the backrest is now fully inflated. Once you have finished with a camel, if required, it can be cleaned whilst still inflated. To deflate the camel, hold the buttons either simultaneously or individually for approximately 5 seconds to release the air pressure. Disconnect the airlines as shown. Disconnect the airlines from the airflow and press the on-off button to turn it off. Any remaining air may be dispelled through applying pressure. The camel can then be packed away ready for its next use.